This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Carol Carpenter. From the moment you enter this lovely 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage Banyan floor plan, you will feel a sigh of relief as you look out at this beautiful lake setting. Picture yourself reading a book on the lakeside outdoor pavered deck, or just relaxing at the end of the day with a glass of wine. This home has vaulted ceilings, plantation shutters, and updated kitchen with dividing wall removed for a more open feel. Custom cabinets that extend to the dining area with built-in wine chiller. Master bath has granite counters, his and her sinks with custom mirrors, walk-in shower and tub. New roof, and storm-rated glass doors enclose lanai that adds to the under AC square footage. Front bedroom currently used as a den TV room with a queen-size sleeper sofa. Manual storm shutters for all windows. Driveway recently pavered for a more attractive front elevation. Pelican Landing is located on 2,400 acres nestled along Estero Bay and the Gulf of Mexico. Pelican Landing has the most amenities for the lowest annual HOA, with 34-acre private beach island, 12 tennis courts with full-time tennis director, state-of-the-art fitness center, canoe and kayak center, pickleball, bocce ball. For more information, review the details below.